Avantika today, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to do makeup. The very important thing is to take your makeup box. Oh. Come on. Ugh, this brush is so annoying. Oh, okay, nice and clean the brush. Okay, let's take our powder. I will show you the powder just in case. Don't know how I'm gonna lift this. Okay. This peach, this is the powder. Okay, let's take it. Oh, look at that. So beautiful. That's enough. Put it all over your face. Why is makeup so dusty? There you go. That's enough for now. Okay. Okay, yeah, okay. And now we can move on to the eyes. But we will be putting the eyeshadow later. I don't know why. The colors will be last, okay? Even the lips. Lips are color, okay? Make sure to remember that. Okay. Okay. Where is the thing that I'm looking at? Take your eyebrow pencil. Make sure not to mess your hands. Done, done, done. Okay. And now, check if it's sharpened. Of course it is. And now put it on your eyes gently. Pretty good. Put it over here. Time to move. Guess what's next? Colors. Okay. Get out of my way, tissue. Okay, let's. Okay, hold on a sec. I will be right back.
12 seconds later. 2 very boring minutes later.
I am back. The nose has to be shiny. Okay, use a Q-tip if you don't have a makeup brush to do the eyeshadow. So you're gonna move on to the eyeshadow. Okay, use any eyeshadow you want. Any. Okay, let's see which one do I want. This may take a few years. Done. Okay, let's do this. Okay. Oh, wow. That color is good. We'll tell you how to put this on. Sparkly. Okay. How do I look? Comment down below. Okay. Okay, what else? Cheeks. Cheeks. Which color? Probably this color. It's really bright and pink. Okay. Which lipstick? god. What is that thing? I don't know. Let's go for this. Or maybe I'm gonna go for this. I don't know if you... Okay, now we're gonna do the lipstick. And take any color you want. I'm gonna take this pinky color. As I told you, I'm not gonna take red. Nope. I like having dark lipstick. Comment down below if I did it right. So, may as well do the outro. So guys, I hope you like this video. If it did, smash up button and we'll say next time. Goodbye.